Hi everyone, welcome to Skyward Community India. Thank you so much for sparing out your time. I hope it's a wonderful evening to you. And once again, a very happy new year. And welcome to this because it's going to be a new presentation here and new updates. And it's going to be great to have all the updates throughout this info session. So my just humble request, kindly keep your phone on silent because it's a new presentation we have made the Skyward Community India. And it's going to be very useful and very informative. Let's start. Myself, Parul Sharma, Speaker and Community Manager as SWC India. This is my certification of achievement, and I'm proud to be as a community manager as SWC for India. The reason behind to show it to you is just to make you sure that there are so many opportunity associated with Skyworld Community India, and you can avail those opportunity, and you can be a one who can introduce this community to rest of the world. So the purpose of our event to inform you of the opportunities we offer. And the presentation overview, this presentation will be regarding the uTerra project that we support, one of our project, but one of a grant project. What is this? What is this project? What is the benefits? Sorry for the interruption. What are the benefits and how you can avail those benefits? uTerra. This is the logo of a uTerra project. So the uTerra offers products that can solve the problems of land depletion. And the fertilizer market, if you look around, the size for 2021, it's a $200 billion, which we need to raise. And the global fertilizer demands drive fertilizer production growth in the Gulf region. If we go with the pie chart, then in Africa, it is 7%. In North America, it is 15%. In South America, it is 21%. And in Asia, it is 55%, one of the major part of that. So the fertilizer market, according to the forecast, the amount of organic fertilizers, plant, animal, and the mineral based will increase. And the world is moving towards safer, healthier products full of all the microorganisms that we need, that we can consume. So Dr. Anatol is introducing the Biohumus uTerra project to us, which is an organic additive for soil obtained as a result of processing of organic waste by special types of earthworms. And it contains a full range of minerals, enzymes, vitamins, as well as macro and micronutrients essential for plant growth and the development of them. So the fertilizer market, sorry. So what is the biohumus uTerra and what it guarantees, what it's giving and what it's offering? So first of all, it guarantees the ecologically safe harvest. Second, it stimulates the natural activity of beneficial microorganisms and enzymes. It strengthens the immunity of plants and restores the fertility of degraded lands. It is completely harmless in any concentration on any soil. It is 100% organic fertilizer and the most useful and the most in demand in future. This is the product, the uTerra Soil Elixir. Is a biological active plant nutrient containing soluble salt of humic acid, fulvic acid, humic coal, and the whole range of agronomically valuable microorganisms with their high concentrations. This is a bottle of a uTerra Soil Elixir, which is the product. uTerra is the project, and this is uTerra Soil Elixir is the product of that. How uTerra elixir is created, how it is made, what is the process of that. So we are explaining you the process to keep you informed that it is ecological, it is chemical free, and it is something, it is giving, strengthens the soil with the microorganisms which are good to be consumed by human beings. Sorry. So the uTerra soil elixir is created through the use of carefully selected beneficial aerobic and anaerobic elements that are the utility to the soil, to the development of which the author developed nutritional formula is applied. So there is a secret formula which we call the author developed nutritional formula, which is applied here. So this is the process, and the raw materials are lignite coal, molasses, honey, biohumus, all the organic. additional organic elements, and it's combined with the author-developed nutritional formula. And then this product is made, and then this product is ready to be used. Now we will talk about the stages of obtaining the uTerra elixir. First of all, the peat coal supply. Second stage will be humic acid extraction. Third will be optimization of the composition, correction of the level of acidity. Sorry. Fourth will be the introduction of a bacterial inoculum. Fifth will be the processing into a soil elixir. So these are 5 stages will be include obtaining the uTerra elixir. So it's a process which involved in that, along with the author developed formula, which is a secret formula to use it and to make it more beneficial for each type of soil. So the uTerra elixir, the benefits of it is that first it will increase the yields and the quality of agriculture products. You can see in the right hand side there is a picture of a tomatoes in a hand of a person, and the size of the tomatoes are equal, the fingers in the hand of a person, that much big. So it will increase the yields, it will increase the crop and the size of the vegetables and the fruits what we consume, and make it chemical free also. Second, accelerate the growth and the development of plants. It will increase the rate on which the growth of the plants and the development of the plant, so they grow more faster. Third, restores and supports soil fertility, regulates and normalizes soil pH to make it normal and to make it live again. The fifth will be the protects plant from disease and the pests. So all the together, it's doing the best job what a fertilizer can do. Then the advantages of uTerra project, if we look about it, then the use of only natural components as a raw materials. First of all, this is a USP of this project, that only natural components, the components are chemical free. Second, there is a balanced content of organic compounds. Third, the presence in the composition of all salts of humic acids and a full range of agronomically valuable microorganisms. The product belongs to the category of non-hazard, low hazard substances. So it's very harmless. Very harmless means the least harm, not the least, the 0% harm, because it is the chemical free, and also it strengthens with the microorganism to the soil, which is good to be consumed by human beings. There are no analogs to these fertilizers, because in order to make them, the order is very specific. First of all, separate species of earthworm has been bred. Second, the proprietary nutrition formula has been developed. Third, the bank of soils from the fertile, untouched by manland delivered to the Belarus from 105 ecologically clean region of 5 continents of the planet has been collected. It's not tested on a one soil, one region soil, or a one continent soil. It's tested on a 105 ecologically clean region of 5 continents of the planet, and the sample has been collected. They have verified, they tested. Then when they found it that it's useful for each and every soil, then it is uh, introduced to the people, introduced to the world, introduced to outside, right? These are the certification that this product has already received. So these are the name: Biohumus TU by this number 2023. Second, the uTerra soil elixir. There are the pictures of this certification also. If you zoom in the picture, you can see the pictures. And the liquid organic complex fertilizer for plants uTerra ossis TU by 691935133007 In a 2023, it has got the certification also from 3 of the certifications. So these are the pictures of the certification. Now we will talk about the quality opinions are provided. What is the quality of the product? And so it has been certified, it has been tested. When it is tested, the quality opinions are provided. that Republican Unitary Enterprises Institute of Soil Science and Agrochemistry. Second, it is provided by the State Scientific Institution, Institute of Nature Management of National Academy of Science in Belarus. Third, it is the certificate quality opinions are provided by the Belarusian Chamber of Commerce and the Industries. So it's not a product of what we can say the very short span of certification or the testing. It's a very it took 5 years to make this product so that it can be best, and it is best. Now the uTerra product is in demand because it can be used anywhere. It can be used at household, it can be used in private farming, it can be used in floriculture for the flowers also, not only for vegetables, not only for the fruits, it can be used for the floriculture. So at household, you can grow healthy and tasty vegetable, fruits and berries for your personal needs. If you talk about the private farming, grow and sell natural products without chemical additives and the impurities. If you talk about the floriculture, select beautifully blooming plants at home in greenhouses and conservators. So now talk about the marketing strategy, brand and the product position in the market. What is the position this brand is holding in the market? So the natural harvest, product safety, love for your own land, and sustainability, right? So when we talk about the uTerra brand Excel, it is available on affordable prices. The product efficiency is high. It's a unique composition because it is chemical free, and author developed formula is already added with it. So it's a great product. And the quality assurance, I already show you that it has got the quality certification also. So the quality assurance is there. And last but not the least, recommendations for efficient use and the plant cultivation. It's not only the product, but also the recommendation for this product is very high. The people who are testing it, who are using it on a testing purpose, they are giving a good reviews about it. So the recommendations we are getting very high to use this product, and it is at the affordable prices. It is the product efficiency is very high. It is a unique composition and the quality assurance which we all need for every fertilizer if we are using it at our household, or if it is using for the agriculture on a bigger level. Using uTerra elixir and the natural biohumus will help increase the yield and grow healthy organic food, right? So your food will taste better, your plants will be more aromatic, and your soil will remain fertile for years to come. It will not dead. It will not leave your soil dead. You are growing something, you are cultivating it, you are harvesting it, and then the soil is dead. So you can't use it for, there are few crops, there are few crops like this. When you harvest them, then you have to leave the land for 2 years, for 3 years, or for 5 years to be uh, regenerate again, to be live again, right? But if you are using uTerra elixir and the natural biohumus, it's not the case. You can use your soil. You can the soil will remain fertile for years to come, and you can also crop any other crops there. You can also grow any other flowers or vegetable or the fruits in that soil. So it will not be dead. Then the uTerra Middle East agro industry is created just for this product, and the industries was established to produce biohumus and uTerra soil elixir. So there is a separate entity which we can say the uTerra Middle East agro industry is created for that. A biosphere greenhouse complex sustainable biohumus cluster is currently under construction, comprising main building, greenhouse cluster, laboratory, and related infrastructure. So uh, it will be fast that it will be ready for the same. And the construction is designed in economic zones of Ras Al Khaimah in a UAE, and REX one of the largest economic zone because there is 770 plus leading manufacturing companies, 100 plus countries, and the 50 plus industries. Advantage of uTerra production location. First, the opportunity to utilize cost-effective solution in the implementation of the project. And what is the benefit of cost-effective solution? The, that we will talk about later. You know the pricing will be low. Second, it is a comfort taxation. Third, proximity to the major logistic hubs, right? So why we choose this location? That it's giving opportunity to utilize cost-effective solution because there is a comfort of taxation. Second, proximity to the major logistic hub, which could be useful for transportation of the products. Then the 3 stages of construction will be there. In a first stage, carrying out preparatory work, installation of fencing, construction of auxiliary buildings, and the laboratories will be there. In a second stage, when this will be done, we will come to the second stage. In a second stage, what works is a frame that the organization of access roads, construction of a dormitory for employees who will be working over there. Yes, they want accommodation and everything. Design and erection of the main building. Once it will be done, then we will move to the third stage. In a third stage, there will be design and construction of a covered greenhouse, allocation of an open air area for demonstrating product performance. So these 3 stages of a construction. Main principle of the project, if we talk about the principle, first, use of natural ingredients at every stage. Principle means which cannot be broken, right? So the principle, the vision, the mission, the foundation of the company or making the project is based on this, that there will be always at every stage natural ingredients will be used to make this product. Second, production of natural organic food products, waste-free use of raw materials and components at every stage, application of a practical approach based on experience and scientific knowledge gained. So it is very good to environment and the nature. Main information about uTerra project that we need to raise the $20 million. These are the few overviews. It will be in a 3 rounds. Second round is running. Construction will be completed in 2025. Investment payback period will be 3 to 5 years. Potential annual returns to the investor. Whosoever will be the investor, they will get the return on investment. You know that. If you're helping a project and funding a project, you will get a return on that. It will be 70.5%. It's an estimated idea. 70.5% to 46.8% of the company's profit. So it is a potential annual returns to investors. And the commencement of the payment of profits to investors, when it will be started, when it can be started, then it's between 2024 to 2025. Now there are investment opportunity where you can avail it, where you can give something, support this project, and also you can give your best to the nature, and you can give something to yourself, to your next generation. At least what we are eating, what we are consuming, it is healthy. We know the process, how it is made. We know what are the stages involved. We know what are the nutrient ingredients are involved in that. We know when we know everything, when there is so much transparency, then we can eat it, we can consume it, relax in a very relaxing mode, and we are tension free that they are chemical involved. We are eating chemicals because they are chemical free. How you can support this project? So you can invest in this project, right? And you can invest in the uTerra production and receive up to 55 of the net profit of the company. Accept this thought that you are doing something for the nature, you are doing something for your environment. Second, if you're investing in with the thought of a return on investment, it is also there that you will have a 55% of the net profit of the company. It depends under the terms and the conditions of the second round of investment, that which package you bought, in which plan are you buying the package in a lump sum amount, in a one time, or in an installment plan. So in a round 1, in a round 2, in a round 3, you can take a screenshot of that also, that the profit distribution for investor in a round 1, which has closed, round 2 is running, right? So if we talk about the round 2, If you buy the package of a $500, you see, first we have only, it started with the $5,000 package. That was the least one. But we then see the opportunity that every man, a middle class man also can want to invest, want to do something for this, for the nature, for the environment, or also for the financial securities of themselves. They have released the $500 package also. So if you start with the $500 package, you will have a profit distribution 26%. The companies, SWC and Discovery, will have a 74% of that. So the expected net income of the investor, if we talk about that, it's $101, right? Expected annual yields of the investor person is 20.3%. If you buy the package of $1,000, you can expect you will have a 28% of the net profit. If we just take an idea according to the brand acceptation in the market, then you can have a $218 as a expected net income of the investor. If you invest, you will be investor, right? So it depends which package you buy. You can go from $500 till $100,000, right? So it will start from 26% of the net profit till 55% of the net profit in a round two, which is running. So that's my humble request. It is till 29 of Feb. Be quick, because we are giving you much more information every week about the uTerra project, so that every doubt will be clear, and be quick and very fast about that, because it's a grand project and we can support it, right? Investment terms and conditions is this. First, investment are provided for 5 years in a lump sum payment or in 10 months installment. You can do it for lump sum payment in a lump sum amount, or you can go for the 10 months installment. Like if you're buying a $500 package, just give me a second. Sorry. So if you're buying a 10 months in $500 package, you can go for the installment plan of 10 months, right? So you can give $50 every month. If you're buying a $1,000 package, you can go for the 10 months installment. You need to pay $100 every month. Then the fixed rate 0.1% per annum for the use of funds. After 5 years, for the 5 years, it will be with the company. But after 5 years, if you want to withdraw your amount, what you have invested, so you can withdraw from the project and take back his or her investment and the interest on the fund. Interest will be 0.5 per annum, per 1% per annum for the use of the fund. So along with your lump sum, your fund, which you have funded in the company or invested in the company, you can have the interest of 0.1% per annum, and you can withdraw your amount after 5 years. For the 5 years, it will be with the company. Investor has a lifetime right to payment of profit as well as interest for the use of the invested amount of the investment in the project. Sorry. So investor, like if you invest, has a lifetime right. Please pay your attention to this word, that for rest of your life, you will have a payments of profit as well as interest for the use of the invested amounts of the investment in the project. If you don't want to withdraw, you want to keep it with the company, then you will have a lifetime right to payment of the profits, right? Then investor make profit according to the selected tariff in the proportion to the amount of investment made. That which package you have bought, I have showed you earlier also. For every package, there is a fixed rate of profit. So it depends on which package you have bought, in which plan. Have you bought it on an installment plan or a lump sum? So until such time as the investor has withdrawn from the project and collected their investment, all their rights go to heirs. If you withdraw, then it will be close of the contract. And if you want to keep your money with the company, then you will have a profit for the lifetime. Then the investment terms and conditions. So an agreement with each investor is concluded. If you make any investment, you will get a contract. It is an agreement with the detailed condition of investment. My humble request, read everything. An investment can be made in a convenient way through bank transfer as well as with the use of the payment system. The convenient payment systems are available there. Bank transfers are available there. So you can make your payment and you can start investing in the uTerra project. Then what does uTerra offer? Yeah. So first we talk about what does the market offer, right? We do our investment in many ways. We do bank deposit, we buy shares, we buy bonds, we go for currency option, we buy gold, silver, we invest in real estate, sublease, crowd lending, right? If we talk about bank deposit, gold and silver, they give you the interest. Rest all shares, bond, currency, real estate, sublease, crowd lending give you the return on investment, right? So when we talk about the interest on bank deposit, it's 8 to 9% as per the market value this time. If you go for the shares, they give you the return on investment as per the 10 to 12% per annum, right? So these are the different percentage. For the bonds, it's 6 to 8. For the currency, 0.2 to 0.4%. If you buy gold, it will give us a per annum 8 to 10% increase or the return on our investment. If you invest in silver, it gives us 50 to 70% per annum. If we buy any property or something, then 15 to 20% per annum. Sublease 18 to 20%, and crowd lending 50 to 20%. Right? These are the ways we do our investment. Now, what does uTerra offer? So it's giving you from 17.9% to 46.8% per annum, the maximum one. This is the best investment. You are doing good something for your nature and environment along with the best for yourself. So the expected investor return optimistic forecast is from 17.9% to 46.8%. You can overview it again. You can see it again, and then you can compare it with the uTerra one. So you invest in an actual production with a competitive quality product, with a research sales market, with long-term scaling potential. So you acquire a passive income instrument also. Frequency of the payment will be one time per quarter, right? So after every 3 months, you will have your profit. And the percent of profit is fixed and doesn't decrease. Your percentage of the net profit of uTerra Middle East Agro Industry is fixed in the agreement that you have bought this package. This will be your percentage of the profit. Remains unchanged and it's not decreased during the entire period of making a profit. It will be same. It will not decrease. So there is no market risk also. So increase profits by reducing cost. And also optimizing production will allow us to deliver greater returns to our investment. It can increase, but will not decrease. So there is a possibility because your personal profit in monetary terms can increase if operating costs are reduced or the sales value per liter of uTerra soil elixir is increased. And as we know, it is a chemical-free product. We know the USP of this product. We know it's going to be in a highest demand. So we can make a prediction that our profit in monetary terms will increase, but the company is giving surety it will not decrease. It will be fixed. Maximum long-term investment. Production has because the production has no restriction in terms of service life, right? Second, the plant provides for the equipment upgrade. Third, the land is leased for 50 years, the contract. The land is leased for the 50 years with the possibility to extend it the contract. So there is no limit for that. It's a unlimited for the unlimited time. And we know the product is best, it's going to be the highest demand. Increase profit by reduce. So the uTerra 2024 Christmas bonuses are also there. You can avail them. The Christmas bonuses from uTerra are available to all verified users of SWC personal account. So if you are new, then please register yourself with SkyWorld community. You can give your details in the chat below in this info session in the chat, and our team will be contact you for the registration. So you can invest in uTerra projects on the best condition. So these are the bonuses. If you go for the $1,000 package, you will have a discount of 1:100. If you go for the package of a $2,000 package, you will have a discount of 1:100 discount plus 160 cashback. $60 cashback will be there. $5,000 you will have a discount of 1:100 discount, and $150 cashback. So these are the Christmas bonuses are running. For the $50,000 package, you will have the coupon 1:100 discount coupon. If you want to know more about the discount coupon, please put your comment in the chat. I will be happy to answer. Plus $2,500 cashback plus premium too. What is that and how you can avail it? I will be happy to give you more information. Right. So these are the bonuses are going on, and you can avail them if you invest now. If you haven't invested, and you can invest more also. So discount is 1:100, get 2.5 to 7 times the portion of the string transport technology. So the register the lot from $1,000 till $100,000, you will get an opportunity to register any USD technology portion package and 1:100 discount. I just give you a very easy to understand. If you buy any package of a $1,000, you will have a discount coupon of 1:100. This coupon you can utilize buying the USD technology portion, Unisky stake technology portion, not the uTerra project. Once you invested in a uTerra project, you will get a coupon and a cashback. This cashback and this uTerra coupon you can utilize buying the USD technology portion back again, right? And the access to 1:100 promotion SWC Champions Challenge for 30 days is running, is available to the user who have issued uTerra lots of the relevant denomination from the time the lot is paid in full until 31st January 2024. And the cashback from $60 to $5,000 to the main account for the lots up to $2,000 up to $100,000. So if you invest in any uTerra project from $2,000 up to $100,000, you will have a cashback from $60 to $5,000, and you can use that cashback investing more. The cashback amount depends on the lot amount that can be spent on uTerra lots and USD technology portion. So the cashback you can utilize in any project, but the coupon will be applicable in buying the USD Unity String technology portion only. And also you can avail the premium tool, register $100,000 or $50,000 allots and receive a premium tool with a visit to USky test and the certification center in Sharjah and the uTerra production construction site. So you can invest either in both packages, and you can avail the premium tool where you will have a visit to the USky test and certification center in Sharjah and also the uTerra production construction site. You can go there, you can visit, you can feel it, and it will be an amazing experience for you. The number of gifts and the promotional offers is limited. Take advantage of the favorable investment conditions and take part in drawing of 20 premium tours by the end of 2023. Now it's there. And invest in uTerra and get up to 55% of net profit of the company, because second round is running and it is till 29th of Feb. Still we have a day, so be fast, and you can be a one who is having a gold or a diamond in their hand. This is one QR code. My humble request that you can scan to fill out the form that gives you exclusive access to the special offer. So we will be happy to receive your feedbacks and your thoughts on it, on the info session, on the presentation. And then one gift will be in your back office. You will have access to the special offer. We value your feedback. Please, please, please share your feedbacks and scan. If you scan it, you can take a picture. And if you scan it, you will go to a Google form. Kindly fill that Google form. So this is from Monday to Friday. We are available from 8 to 5 p.m. This is a number where you can call and you can ask for any project or any help if you have. You can write us to also info@uterra.swc.com. We are always ready to answer, and we will be happy to answer your questions. We are available on the Twitter and the Instagram also. You can put your thoughts over there also. We will be happy to receive your comment over there. So we invest in a high demand, eco-friendly production technology with a high percentage of profit. Again, a big thanks from on the behalf of the curator of India and the top expert at SWC, Ms. Kat Jacob. She is a curator of India. Curator means the responsible person on the behalf of Sky World community in India, and the myself, speaker and community manager for India. Thank you so much for your precious time. Thanks again. You can mail your, you can share your thoughts and the feedback on a mail india at the skyway.capital. If you have any query, our team and me will be very happy to answer you. This is the WhatsApp number we have. You can add yourself there and you can ask any question if you have. And we are on the social media also. We are on Telegram, Instagram, and the Facebook. So please join there, and so that you will have all the news and the updates. Thank you so much. Thank you. If you like the info session, please do like it, share it with your friends so that they can also get all the information about the uTerra project and can help the environment and the nature also, and themselves also by investing in the best project. Thank you so much, and give your comments below the video. Thank you so much. Thanks, Ajay.